Hello everyone, my name is Keith Narazinski, co-founder of Quicksilver, and today I am excited to share with you an unboxing of our November Auto Wealth coins. These are the coins that we will be delivering at random as they come in through the month. I have a few different coins to show you in this video. The first one is by the, let's turn the cover around of the monster box, by the Royal Mint. If you can see that, let me get some angle on it there. And it has the coat of arms of Britain there as well. And here we have a box of 500 Silver Britannia coins. They come in tubes of 25, nicely packed. I don't want to move them around too much. We do everything in our power to preserve the beauty and the strike and quality of these coins to deliver straight to you. Okay, so I have one off to the side that I took out of another monster box for this purpose. So let's talk about the coin a little bit. The British Britannia coins are again from the Royal Mint of England, and 2020 marks the release of the 24th issue of the coin. They contain 1 troy ounce of 3/9 fine pure silver, have a face value of £2 backed by the British government, and the coin debuted initially in 1997, 1 decade after Gold Britannia coins were released. The obverse of the coin, the face side if you will, features the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. Her Majesty has reigned as the Queen of England since 1952, and this again is the 5th effigy of her to be featured on British coinage, if I hadn't already mentioned. Okay? The reverse side, or as I like to call it, the fun side of the coin, let me get some angle on that so you can get a good look. It features a modern interpretation of the historic Britannia figure, always associated with the nation's seafaring history and dominant naval traditions. Britannia is depicted along the coast with a trident clutched in her right hand and a shield in her left. Take a look. The shield guards the British Isles and features the Union Jack flag design, while the trident gives her control over the seas. Beautiful coin. Okay, let's go ahead and set this aside and move on to our next coin that we will be featuring in our random rotation of coins throughout the month of November. Before me, I have a box. These actually come in boxes from the mint, just like this, of 240. There's quantity 240, and this is the Beneath the Southern Skies coin. Bear with me one moment while I earlier kind of unwrap these. They come in shrink wrapped sets of 10, if you will, 10 coins per, and there's 300 here actually. And this is our first allocation for the first few days of November, and we have more boxes coming in by the week. Okay, so let's take a look and talk about the Southern Sky coin for just a moment. All right, let me make sure you can get a good look at this. Okay, the 2020 Australian Beneath Southern Skies coin is one of the most, or the Southern Cross, if you will, is what's featured in this coin. You can see the stars there that make up the Southern Cross within the field of the coin, right over here. And that's actually featured on the Australian flag as well. Now, the Southern Cross is one of the most notable galactic constellations in our universe. It was used by sailors in the Southern Hemisphere with the same reliance that sailors in the Northern Hemisphere would turn to the Big Dipper for. The coin features 1 troy ounce of 4/9 fine silver in brilliant uncirculated condition, has a face value of $1 Australian, fully backed by the Australian government. So, the obverse of the coin is a depiction of Queen Elizabeth II with the global design in the background. Take a look. You can see the lines of latitude and longitude of the entire planet featured around the Queen. Very cool. All right, the reverse of the coin, let's go back to it. There we go. Make sure you guys can see it good. It includes a design originally created in 1964 by Stuart Devlin. The Royal Australian Mint revived this historic design because of the prominent Southern Cross constellation it features. Absolutely phenomenal coin to have in your collection. We look forward to shipping them out by the thousands throughout the month of November. I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. Let's move on to our third and final coin that I have to share with you today. All right, next up, we have a box filled with awesome coins from Armenia. This is the 2020 Armenian Silver Noah's Ark coin. A lot of people have requested this coin. We finally got our hands on several thousand of them for November so that we can ship them out for all of you who have been looking to get your hands on an awesome Noah's Ark coin. Okay, they come in tubes of 20. And their mint are sealed from the mint. You can see the security seal, if you will, around each and every one of these. This, I believe, is about 500 coins here. And I actually opened this one earlier for a little show and tell. So let's go ahead and set this aside and take a look. Again, this is one of the most popular coins in the European continent. And the design depicts the book of Genesis' tale of Noah. It's the 10th release of the Noah's Ark coin, contains 1 troy ounce of 3/9 fine pure silver, and bears a face value of 500 dram, backed by the government of Armenia. 500 drams are the currency that they use in Armenia. The coin series debuted in 2011. So let's take a look at the obverse. This would be the face side of the coin. You can see it says 500 there. That's 500 dram. And it has a depiction of the Armenian coat of arms. The national coat of arms for Armenia is flanked by an eagle and a lion with a quartered shield at the heart of the national seal. Situated at the very center of the shield is Noah's Ark as it came to rest on Mount Ararat. It's a very important, significant thing that happened in their history, so they're proud to feature it. Now, the reverse of the coin includes an image. Let's get it in there so I can make sure you're seeing it good from different angles. I know cameras don't often pick up on the detail depending on the angle, so I'm just going to move it around a little bit while we talk about the reverse of the coin. It includes an image of Noah's Ark in its full glory. This design captures the Ark as it floats on flood waters, carrying Noah, his family, 2 of every kind of animal, and God's hope for a better tomorrow for the future of humanity. And that's what we're all about here at Quicksilver, helping deliver beautiful assets that I've shown you today to your doorstep discreetly in varied types of coins every month. And this month, these are the 3 beauties that we are featuring. With that, this is Keith Narazinski saying good day. God bless. Bye now.